Have you ever thought of a stylish human wear and go wig? This hair is all shade of beauty and elegance. Welcome back again to the channel, Lovelies. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing this gorgeous 3-in-1 half wig from Isee Hair. Here is everything that comes in the package, and now let's open up this stunning hair. Oh my goodness, this wig is all shades of beauty and elegance. It is soft, it is full, it is bouncy. Honestly, lovelies, I personally love the bounce and the fullness. So this is the wig cap right there. It is breathable. It has a stretchable band that you can adjust. It has a drawstring, and the invisible hairline makes this hair top notch right there. So I'm gonna show you different ways you can actually style it. The simplest one is this. I just combed my natural hair all the way back, brushed the front edges neatly, honestly, and then pop on this gorgeous 3-in-1 human hair wig. That is very simple, easy, and beautiful. So this hair is actually sold on Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Honestly, it is the cheapest, cutest, most voluminous hair I have ever seen or gotten from there. So you don't want to miss this one. It is stress-free, hassle-free, and blends seamlessly with my natural hair. Just look at the edges. It looks invisible. So simple, so gorgeous. I didn't do much with it at all. I just pop it on, run my fingers through it, and give it that effortlessly messy look, and boom, done. But for my lovelies who don't like dry hair and prefer a juicy, defined look, let me show you how to juice it up. So I mixed leave-in conditioner with water in a spray bottle to moisturize the hair. This step is so important because it softens the coils, brings them back to life, and keeps the hair from getting frizzy. As I moisturize the hair, you could literally see the texture transforming as it went from fluffy and hairy to soft and defined. I made sure every section was moisturized, and oh my goodness, the feel of this hair is everything. The strands are soft, the coils are springy, and the more I ran my fingers through it, the more natural it looked. The wig just came alive, like it had been freshly washed and styled. I love how this step not only defines the curls but also makes the hair super manageable. No tangling, no stiffness, just juicy coils forming all over. After wetting, I also added a little coil mask for shine. This makes the hair juicy, glossy, and even more beautiful. So for all my juicy hair lovers, this one is for you. And look at the result, the bounce, the coils, the luster. I love it. It's the softness, the wetness, the fullness for me. Now, if you don't like leaving your natural hair loose underneath, you can braid your hair into 4 sections before wearing the wig. To get started, I parted my hair straight down the middle into 2 big sections. Then I went ahead and divided each half into 2 again, which gave me 4 sections in total. From there, I began braiding each section all the way down to the ends. This really helps me keep the hair stretched, neat, and organized, and it makes the whole process of adding the extension so much easier later on. So just continue to watch as I braid my hair down. I would like to take my time with this step because it lays the perfect foundation for the style, keeps my natural hair protected underneath, and helps the twist come out smooth and polished in the end. Alright, lovelies, now I'm done with braiding my hair into 4 sections, and it is time to pop on the wig. The braids underneath really make a difference because they create a flat, neat base so the wig lays seamlessly without looking bulky. What I'm doing here is to pin down the hair into my hair to give it a firmer look, and also adjust the drawstring at the back. And here we have it, everyone. Perfect, gorgeous looking hair. Look at this one. Look at the edges once again. It is awesome. I also went ahead to brush the edges of my braids with my jam just to slick it down. Look at this. You have it, everyone. I love it so much. Look at me. I'm looking so gorgeous, everyone. This hair is so amazing. Honestly, look at the feel. Look at the bounce. Look at the color. Color is natural black, and I just love that color. It is awesome. I love the way I look. I love the way the hair gives me this awesome fresh look. Lovely. So what do you say about this hair? I think it is awesome. Look at it. Look at the bounce. Look at it. It is so gorgeous. Look at the back. Lovely. I think wetting it makes it juicer. What do you think? I love it. Look at the lady. All right, lovelies, what do you think about this installation? I think it is fabulous. So go ahead and click the link on the video description. The link to purchasing these on Amazon is gonna be there, and you will be amazed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Momandprettyimisi. If you found today's video very helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and families, and also subscribe if it is your first time of ever coming across my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.